good, my peeps? I know I haven't done a video in about 7 days' time. I did not leave you because the market dumped. I was the one that actually warned you 7 days ago that it's not looking good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin just lost some serious key level. Bitcoin just made a new low. I can't predict a dump, but I understand when I see a downtrend. And I try to warn you lot. The reason why I haven't made a Bitcoin update videos is because I was ill, food poisoning, it's long. I lost a kg in 7 days. It's long, man. Anyways, let's quickly jump in the market. So in this video right here that I done 7 days ago, I explained to you lot where those key levels were and the bearish scenario for Bitcoin. Let's quickly jump into it and then make a new high. And the bearish scenario is you don't want Bitcoin to break this yellow line because now it's made a new low. Whenever price action makes a low, chances of it making a lower high and then coming back down to making a new low is higher. So basically, the trend is telling me on the daily, Bitcoin is in a bearish trend because it just made a new low. So right now, would I be surprised if Bitcoin goes up a little bit and then comes back and make a new low? No. Right now, 84,000 all the way down to 80,000 is in play. Bitcoin can easily go down there. And in this channel, you take it level by level, right? And that's right now, I'm being honest with you, it's not looking good for Bitcoin. Obviously, I can't predict a dump, right? If I did, I'll be a billionaire. I know when a price is in a downtrend. I know when a price is looking bearish. That's why I made that video and told you Bitcoin is looking bearish. I don't know what everyone else was telling you. Me personally, I knew Bitcoin was looking bearish, right? That's why I made that video. If I wasn't ill, I would have gave you a lot update every day, explaining to you, yo, these are the next key levels, yo, be careful, and so on, right? So obviously I saw that dump happening. Even though I was ill, I was active on X and I kept on posting, showing you what I was doing on X. I'm not gonna lie, shorts paid the bill. Last month was the best month I had in trading. When it comes to leverage trading, that was the best month I've ever had. I had to go and treat myself. I had to go and, you know what I'm saying? I had to go and buy a couple of things. If you follow me on X, you lot knowing it because I've been posting it. But in this video, we're going to go through where the next key levels are and what I'm doing right now as a trader. Like, what am I doing? Am I in longs? Am I in shorts? Am I sitting on the sideline? We're going to go through all of that in this video. But let's just quickly jump in the market. This is a Bitcoin chart on the daily. When I done that video, it was around here. Like I said, we don't want Bitcoin to lose this line right here, this yellow line. We can make it bigger so everyone can see. We didn't want Bitcoin to lose that level. I already went through that video. I'm not going to go through it. If you haven't seen it, I advise you to go and watch it. So Bitcoin dumped, right? And I thought we was going to bounce here. Like I thought it was gonna bounce at 80,000. I thought it would have bounced nicely at 80,000. Liquidity traders would be like, oh, it's coming here to grab this liquidity. And I've done this before. It bounced here, it's gone up, right? So I thought we was gonna bounce here, but we didn't bounce. And in trading, you always need to be able to adapt. So as soon as I realized we wasn't bouncing, obviously, I had to get into a couple of shorts in it. I got into one short. I was in Fartcoin for about less than 3 minutes. I made 5K in one trade short in Fartcoin. If you don't follow me on X, you should follow me on X. This was it. This was on the 31st. I think that was a Sunday, right? Short Fartcoin. It was just a quick boom. It was a 1 3 minute candle. I had to get in. Like, I wasn't chasing it. I just saw Bitcoin collapsing. As soon as Bitcoin lost that 80,000, I knew the next, I didn't know, but I had an idea. I had a strong feeling that the next stop's going to be 75, 74. So I entered a short. I could have picked any coin at random and I would have had the same result because Bitcoin dumped. But anyway, so on X, this is me and everyone over here who was ready for the dump. And I'm not being funny, but we was ready for the dump. I wasn't looking for no long positions. Do you get what I'm saying? And so when I started feeling better, I went out for my friends. He had a little, they call it link up, drink up. That's just me chilling. And then today I went Hatton Gardens. If you don't know where Hatton Gardens is, you don't know what it is, man. I had to go and treat myself, you feel me? I just went and treat myself. Like I said, yo, spending some of these gains, fuck the market. I'm not giving it back to you. And sometimes you have to do that. When you have a good month, I'm not saying spend all your money, but what I'm saying is live a little. You get what I'm saying? At the end of the day, we're all gonna die. Come on, man. Sometimes you just need to treat yourself, innit? If you're into cars, I don't know what you're into. Everyone's got hobbies, right? Like if you're making some nice gains, just don't forget to live life as well. You can't just be sat at home on the charts like some weirdo. Sometimes you need to hit the roads. See what I'm saying? But that was me. That's what I done when I started feeling a bit better. Seriously though, yeah. When you have a good month or when you have a good run, don't forget to live life. Whether if you're a family person, just chill out. If you made a nice bit of money, let me give you an example. So if your aim is to make 10K a month and you make 30K that month, chill out. You don't even need to trade the next month. You can, but just chill. You don't need to be so aggressive with it. Family time, or go and buy a car, whatever you're into. You know what I'm saying? Just don't forget to live life as well, innit? Because you only have one life. Do you know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna tell you lot what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm on the sideline. I'm not in a long, I'm not in a short. I'm just chilling. Like I'm waiting for more confirmations. I'm not entertaining this price action right now. This price action is dog shit. Like the only coin that's actually looking alright is Hype, and I'm gonna show you lot in a second. But right now, as a leverage trader, I'm on the sideline. I'm protecting my capital and I'm chilling. Let's jump in the market. This is the only coin that's actually doing something right now. Like Hype is the only coin that's actually looking strong. Everything else is looking dog shit. Hype broke out, came back, nice entry. Did I enter? No, I didn't enter. I'm just being honest with you, lot, because when all of this was happening, the market was dumping. How am I going to enter a trade when the market is dumping? I'd rather be in shorts, not long, right? But Hype bounced back nicely. It's nearly like to where we started a couple of days ago. So right now, as you can see, everything's red. The daily candle just closed. That's why everything's looking weird like that. But Hype is looking strong. Silver is looking strong as well. Ooh, silver is looking strong. But yeah, silver, see this correction on silver? I'm just going to quickly talk about silver. It's not that deep. Me personally, I don't think it's that deep. When a coin's blown up like this, 30% correction, technically speaking, in a bull market, 30% correction is healthy. Anyways, we're not going to talk about silver in this video. So right now, I'm sitting on the sideline. As a leverage trader, I'm sitting on the sideline. I really want to enter Hype though. But for me to enter Hype, Hype needs to turn all of this resistance into support. Hype needs to do something like this. You want to start moving like this out into Hype. But right now, it can easily go the other way, right? And for Bitcoin update, it's simple. We don't want this green line to get broken. If this green is broken, then you know what's next, right? That is what's next. We don't want this to happen. Think about it. This right here is this. This is the definition of a downtrend. This is the definition. Look, all of this is definition of an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. This right here is a definition of a downtrend. We don't want this to happen. We need this green line to hold. 74,581 needs to hold. Otherwise, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to start saying hello to previous all-time high, and then we're gonna have to start saying hello to the 60s and 50s. Right now, anything's in play. The Bears are in control. This green line needs to hold. The Bulls need this green line to hold. I'm gonna keep it nice and simple. That was my Bitcoin update, and like I said, we don't want that green line to break. And what am I doing right now? Me personally, I'm on the sideline. I'm a leverage trader, so I'm on the sideline. But if I do see Bitcoin around 60, 50K as a spot trade, I'll start buying Bitcoin around those prices. I think that's a good opportunity to start scaling in. I'll DCA in it. Like I might buy half a Bitcoin, I might buy a third of a Bitcoin, I might buy 10% of a Bitcoin. It all depends in it. But anyways, man, this is just a quick update to let you lot know I'm alive and kicking. I'm not dead. Just had food poisoning. That's why I haven't been posting for the past 7 days. And I'm feeling a lot much better now. So I'm going to be posting every day, God willing. But you lot know what to do, man. Before I go, I really want to hear you lot's thoughts. What do you lot think? Are you lot getting that bear market feeling now? Do you lot think Bitcoin's not done at 74? Do you think we're going to go down to 60, 65? Let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you. But until then, you don't know what to do, man.